Hello and welcome to this video where I will share with you my essential WordPress testing plugin I use for website optimizations. For example, to give you an example, I will use this affiliate slash niche blog I have in French language that talks about outdoor stuff. My plan with this blog is like that. I collect leads in the first page with an email sequence. I send them to an ebook sales page, to a sales page to sell my ebook. And when people click the buy now button, they will not, before the checkout page, they visit a cross sell page. I've A/B tested all these pages, and how I did that, how I declared the winner, and all my data I will share with you right now. Okay, as you can see from this date, the first A/B test was in February 2018 when I launched months after in the first month I launched this blog. But the important tests I will share with you are this one. I will start with the lead collection page, which is still running an A/B test for. I will, as you can see, the first data was in 2020. I started A/B testing this ebook page. The title of this A/B test is Free Ebook Opt-in Page Split Test. The description is Difference or Page Design. Okay, for this lead collection page, I created 6 variations, and I already stopped 4 of them, and I'm still running an A/B test between these 2 variations. The ones I already stopped have a subscription rate of around 30 to 35%. And my current ones are running with a 40 to 45% confirmation rate or subscription rate. Okay, let's open on. I will start from the brand 1 to the right one. Okay. As you can see, this page is in French. Let me translate it for you. The learn how to start typing is the headline. After several hacks, I'm proud to share my digital ebook for free. And this is how I collect leads, email leads. These are some testimonials, real testimonials I got about this free ebook. This is the second variation I tested. This is the third one. And these 2 are still running. Let me translate them to English to understand its content. Want to hide but have no idea where to start? After a few hikes, I'm proud to share a digital book for free. These are the testimonials. And right now, this is my best performing lead capture variation. It's so simple. Learn how to start hiking by learning form, testimonials, and the same for repeated learning. How I did all of that, how I created these variations, how I'm still running, how I'm running this A/B test, all will be shared with you in a few minutes. Okay, that's all for the lead collection page. Let's move to the sales page. The sales page is, let me close the stats before. The sales page A/B test details are like that. I created 3 variations. Let me start with bad to the highest converting page. As you can see, this is a sales page. Let me translate it for you. Attention, when you find my body, please call my husband and my daughter. I use it as story. Choose a story of a lost hiker, unfortunately, to sell an ebook about how to use a compass and map to, to hike or to get from point A to point B. These are what people learn in this ebook. The copy remains the same. The big difference is the headline. I will translate them to English. When you find no, please call my husband and my daughter. The first difference is this background image here, and this is the highest performing variation. When you find my body, the headlines remains the same. The big difference, the first difference I notice is this background. As you can see, the simplest or the more minimalist, the highest performing the page gets. Okay, as you can see, the winner page got unique visitors, 363 unique visitors in 5 conversions, with a conversion rate of 1.36. Right now we are talking about the sales page. For the capture page, I forgot to share with you the conversion rate of the lead collection page. As I said, I forget to share with you the numbers of or the conversion rate of the lead collection page. As you can see, the still running variations got right now got the first variation got 168 unique visitors, and I got 76 subscription with a subscription rate of 45%. And with this one, the conversion rate is a little bit lower, 31.36%, which is very good for me for this for a lead capture page. So for this so for every 100 visitors I sent to this variation, I got 45 lead. I don't just to I don't know if I already said this, but this lead capture page got visitors or traffic using Facebook ads. Okay, now I talked about the first step, second step. Now let's see my cross-sell page. I will close these tabs. This is this details of the upsell page. Same thing, I will open them from the lowest converting page variation to the highest one. Okay, let me translate. As you can see, the upsell, or yes, is it a cross-sell? Yes, it's a cross-sell. I tried when, just to make things clear for you, when people click on the buy now button in my sales page, let me open the sales page for you to make things easier for you to imagine. This is the buy now button. When people click this, they want to take advantage of this limited offer, they will not went to the checkout page. They will go to our cross-sell page where they decide if they want to take two books with a great discount or just take the first ebook proposition. As you can see, the difference between the first variation, the second, and the third one, I think it's just the colors. This one has an outdoor background and a white page. This one is a little bit different, and this one is and this is the winning high conversion variation. This I think the this one is more minimalistic, more organized, no background image, and this one converts I think 30%. Where is the details of this? Okay, absence, click this page, view best details. As you can see, the winner has a 30% conversion rate. This upsell page got 30 unique visitors and converted uh, 9 converted, made 9 converted. This is my demonstration slash experience of how I have used Thrive Optimize plugin, WordPress plugin, to to make easy, uh, sorry, to make A/B tests. How to do it or how to implement this in your blog, I will share it with you right now. Now that you have installed Thrive Leads to start collecting leads, Thrive Architect to create or to build pages, and Thrive Optimize to start making A/B tests, let's see how to use this plugin to optimize your website performance. Let's say that we have a leads collecting page and we want to optimize it. This page, for example, gets traffic from Facebook ads and we want to optimize it. Our page, let's this this page it's let's say that our leads collection page is like this one, and we want to optimize it for a better to collect leads with a lower cost. Click on this edit with Thrive Architect. Go to A/B tests from here. You can duplicate it and make modifications like titles or colors or photo, or you can create a new variation from the scratch. Click on, you can give it a name from here and click edit variation. I want to use the lead generation. Let's say I want to test a longer lead generation page versus a shorter one. As I said in a previous video, one of the essential rules with A/B testing is to test a single element per test. For example, if you want to test longer versus shorter test, you should use the same copy to get accurate results. You should use the same title, the same book image, and from here you add something to make the page longer and test using it. For example, when we finish from editing this page, we hit save work to create this variation number 2. Okay, we hit again this A/B test to go to the test dashboard, and now this our two variations are displayed here. We can add another one, and when we finish from making the variations, we simply hit this setup and start A/B test. What's the name, the split test name, and the short description are very important here to make them clear here. Why? A/B tests take time, and with time you tend to forget what you have changed or what are the difference between variations. So you should make things very clear here. For example, the difference between these two variations is are the length. The length. So here you type I am testing the sales page length here. Testing not the sales page, the leads page length here. I am bringing and testing the page length, then I move to test the copy, for example, to make things clearer for you. Okay, hit next, and here you can see the goal. You can test your goal. Personally, I prefer to work with the visit goal page because it's simpler for me and straightforward and beginners friendly. Okay, what's the goal of the visit page? The goal of the visit page is to help the tribe architect to let him know that you made the conversion or not yet. So everyone learned from this page. If he visits the goal page, it will be counted as an conversion. So for a leads collection page, the visit goal page will be something like email address confirmed. If it's not created, you can create it just from clicking here and start your A/B test. You can preview it. Email address confirmed, and with your email provider, you set this. You give it this link to every confirmed email lands on this page. You can hit start A/B test, and that's all for A/B testing using Thrive Optimize. Okay, let me go back to Thrive Optimize. Go here, Thrive Optimize, and as you can see, now we have a running A/B test with the test name here, date, and with your conversion. For more details, click here, and you have a graph that you can use. And from this test, all the important elements here are the unique visitors should be, for example, 100. It depends. But the average is 100 visits. You can start seeing what variation to continue using. For example, if the first one is converting 5% and the second one has a conversion rate of 10%, you can decide this, this variation as the winner. And after that, all the visitors will see just the winning variations. How to decide the variations, the winning variation? Click Stop Test and choose winner. As you can see, if conversion rate here is the highest, set it as a winner, and that's all for A/B testing using Driver Architect. I use this tool for years. It's easy to use, easy to understand, integrate seamlessly with other Thrive products. It's easy to, as you can see, it's very easy to use. And I love it. Personally, I love it. As you've seen before, I use it on multiple affiliate or niche blogs, and I highly recommend you using it. And if you need any help with this WordPress plugin, testing plugin, just let me know in the comments below, and I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.